some of the things that I do to make sure that I'm aging my best. Hey Rachel, it's Dr. Raj here, author of brand new book, Gut Renovation. There's a direct connection between our digestive health and how we age. And as a doctor, but also a woman who recently turned 50, I'm fascinated by how we can really age our best. I look to my patients and my clinical practice for clues to this matter, but I also look to the latest research. One thing we found is that a balanced microbiome is actually the foundation to optimally aging. I'm going to take you through my day today and some of the things that I do, again, as a 50-year-old woman, to make sure that I'm aging my best. One of the things I recommend for all of my patients is regular exercise. And that's because not only do we know exercise is great for our entire body and pretty much preventative for almost every disease, but it's also great for your digestive health. And it's recommended to get at least 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. And that may sound like a lot and tough to fit inside your schedule, but you can break that up into 10-minute chunks. And sometimes on a busy day, that's exactly what I do. The key to a healthy microbiome really starts with what we eat. Diet is extremely important. So what I like to do is start my day with a breakfast that I know is good for my gut. And that will include fiber, because fiber is one of the keys to healthy digestion. Fiber actually helps the cells in our colon grow and be more healthy, and also it helps the lining of our intestine stay strong as a great barrier. I love to have yogurt every single day. We know that yogurt with live and active cultures is a great source of probiotics, but then I add some prebiotic fiber, and that can be a fiber-rich granola or oatmeal, and then of course berries. Berries are not only full of fiber, but they're also great in terms of antioxidant activity. Another great gut healthy source of fiber is avocado. It's an amazing way to get not only your fiber, which is a prebiotic, but also a healthy source of fats. Well, so far we've been talking about foods that you prepare at home, but what if you need to go out? Well, I'm headed to a restaurant right now, and the great thing about the Gut Reno plan is that on almost any menu, you can find something that's going to be healthy for your gut. Okay, so mission accomplished. I found a great gut healthy meal at the restaurant. I actually lucked out with a turmeric tonic. It was an awesome drink with lime, honey, actual turmeric, which we know is a great anti-inflammatory and wonderful for gut health. And then for my meal, I had tuna tartare, great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which we know promote the best gut bacteria, as well as avocado mixed in, which is an amazing source of healthy fat, as I already talked about. So yeah, it was a great meal. I had a wonderful time, and I took care of my gut. See you later.